Hi, and welcome to Toronto's real estate team at RE/MAX December 2015 Toronto Real Estate Market Report. December sales were the second best ever, and annual sales were the highest ever at the Toronto Real Estate Board. I'll comment more on that in this broadcast as we go through the market report. So let's review some of the Toronto Real Estate Board statistics and see what's happened. Sales were up 11% for December compared to last year, with 4,945 houses and condominiums changing hands in all the districts. This was the second best December on record, just barely behind 5,541 sales back in 2009. Sales are actually up almost 22% above the last 15-year average. Condo, townhouse, and high-rise suites took a highest ever 38% share of the market, with 1,878 units being sold. This was the highest percentage of the overall market that I've ever seen and indicates relative condo affordability has now a greater influence on the buying market. The December average sale price for all GTA homes came in at $609,110, up 9.4% from 2014. The active listing inventory is one of the strongest indicators of how smooth or outrageous the market has been. We had a 34% decline in inventory for the month of December compared to historical numbers, and lower by 10.7% from last year at this time. The sales to listings, or percent chance of selling ratio, is how we determine what type of market we're actually in. 24 to 28% is a neutral market, below 24% is a buyer's market, and above 28% is a seller's market. In December, that ratio finished at 54.1%, up 12% from last year's result. We were still into very busy seller market territory even so late in the year. The days on market average for Toronto homes was 29. So let's look at what's happening in the downtown Toronto condominium market. West of Yonge and south of Bloor in the CO1 Treb district, the average sale price for December was just under $457,400. That average moved up 3.4% from the same time last year. With 257 condo sales in the month, the numbers were up 18% compared to 2014. There were 860 active listings on the market in December, about the same as last year. The ratio of sales to listings was 29.9%, which put CO1 just edging into seller market territory. The average days on market came in at 38, 5 days slower than last month. Now, east of Yonge and south of Bloor in the CO8 Treb district, the average sale price for December was just under $444,700. That number was up just fractionally compared to 2014. And with 93 condo sales in the month, the numbers were up 31% from last year. There were 200 active listings on the market in December, down 15% from 2014. The ratio of sales to listings was 46.5% for the month. That number put CO8 into busy seller market territory and 16% higher than last year. The average days on market came in at 31, 1 day slower than last month. The Toronto Real Estate Board had 101,299 sales for 2015, making it a record year for houses and condos sold. This year's result exceeded sold homes in 2014 by over 8,400. For the entire year, condo sales in CO1 were up 18.8%, while sales in CO8 rose by 15.6%. Expect condo sales in 2016 to maintain and gain market share primarily because of affordability. For example, the average sale price of a Toronto detached home in December was $1,039,600, while the semi-detached average was $743,700. Contrast that with the Toronto condominium apartment average selling price of $400,088. That's a big affordability gap, but an opportunity for the condo market to gain momentum. This month, we're looking at the Toronto Real Estate Board statistics for annual average sale prices. Since the bottom of the market at the end of the 1990s recession was reached in 1997, the average sale price for all homes in the GTA has risen an average of 6.3% annually. Over the last 10 years, that average price has increased by 85%, and just counting the period between 2011 and 2015, we've seen an annual average price increase of 7.6%. So what's a terrific way to make your first baby step into Toronto's real estate market and find out where those more affordable choices are? The best first step is to go on a market experience tour of condo or house neighborhoods with one of our team members. Leave your checkbook at home. What a tour is not intended to do is show you homes with the intention that you'd immediately buy one. What it is intended to do is to give you an opportunity to get a clearer idea of what's available on the market in your favorite parts of the city and in your price range without worrying about being pressured into having to make an immediate buying decision. Once you've had your tour, we want you to go back home and think about what you saw. You'll then be better able to set up a good home buying plan and make smart, educated decisions about where and when you want to be in your new home. You can sign up for your condo tour at dailydowntowncondotours.com and a tour of houses at dailytorontohometours.com. Remember to check back here in early February for our January 2016 Toronto Real Estate Market Report.